Okay, my bad man in my blood. Yeah, me think I when my father take a coke. He kind of run down in his system, then he go look my mother.
Say, me I keep me something down in Florida, it's a planka nation. I never call no other people fancy come.
World Dog and Aunty Donna in a two different league. World Dog crowd and Aunty Donna are two different type of crowd from two different type of world. Wonderful people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. Me people, me I go scratch the surface of a little topic where me I go expound on later on. Aunty Donna and World Dog. If anybody on this app is familiar with TikTok and familiar with World Dog, then you would have understand what I am going to address later. Aunty Donna, you have your Planka Nation Shades of Pink brunch coming up in October in Florida. Aunty Donna, you probably wonder why World Dog come at you because you have an event in Florida. That I will discuss later on in the live, Aunty Donna. Aunty Donna, World Dog is also a party promoter, bad mixture, right? If you listen World Dog live, you would hear World Dog say he might have all kind of food a bad mixture and all of them thing there, and him not charge that the money there. People, World Dog and Aunty Donna in a two different league. World Dog crowd and Aunty Donna are two different type of crowd from two different type of world. World Dog a play a scrimmage, Aunty Donna play a World Cup. World Dog is the type of person, right, where if you go over TikTok, World Dog is one of the most bad-minded person over TikTok. And me say that without no apology. And if you don't think I lie, me I tell you, go over TikTok, go check. World Dog, we support you on TikTok, but him not support you for really help you, you know. Him support you if you come back, come tear you down couple months down the line. Ask how much people on TikTok who World Dog give strength and him same one come back, come tear them down and make all them account get banana. Right now, Swissley can't go live. You know hear me I say? Right now, Swissley can't go live. Why? Wagwan. Who is Swissley? How did Swissley get on TikTok? Who same one come back, come bad mind Swissley and I try to tear him down when they realize that the people them love Swissley more than him. Let me take a sip of my coffee. People, I have so much to touch upon in my life later as it relates to Aunty Donna and World Dog. World Dog is a different type of bad mind. World Dog is a different breed of bad mind. And you know why? You have a lot of people where we bad mind you, you know. But them bad mind you because them can't do what you do. World Dog have talent. World Dog have skill. World Dog only bad mind people because him no want nobody rise like him. That is the worst type of bad mind. It's like a man over there so I eat a plate of food. But he lock up all the kitchen and even burn it down because he no want you get a plate of food neither. Him just want feel belly fi full. We no never hear Aunty Donna company up trouble people. A matter of fact, Aunty Donna endorse World Dog many times before. Who come back round now? Come and want to tear down Aunty Donna. Remember, you know, World Dog is just a little comedian, you know. We go up on TikTok and go on with him thing and do him thing. He's very entertaining. That's why I say him have skill. We're not here to take nothing from no man, because that's not the intention. Me tell you in the get-go saying he have skill and he have talent. But his downfall is he have a very out of this world type of bad mind when nobody else not even touch a ladder. Never mind climb up the ladder, fi kick you off. You not fi touch a ladder none tall. But here you know, real dog gets scared. Aunty Donna keep a event, you know, if me no lie in June, Aunty Donna keep a event in New York. And here goes Aunty Donna again. I go keep another event in October. The event where Aunty Donna do in New York. Event of all events. World Dog them know what try to do party promoting in Florida. But you know see a be a little. Listen to me. Go for them party. For them party a different type of something. And this is what World Dog need to get to him brain. World Dog, your crowd and Aunty Donna crowd are two different crowd. So when you are going to take up yourself on a bad mind Aunty Donna right now, brother, you just show the entire world. And member, you know. Member say I'm me, J Progress, you know. And Aunty Donna. Me don't think you watch all of my video them Aunty Donna. Can you see if you didn't watch all of my video them Aunty Donna, this would have been no surprise to you. Aunty Donna, member good in Aunty Donna. Despite how much fire J Progress come burn upon the media, Aunty Donna. Search the entire globe and ask anybody if them know anybody where J Progress ever bad mind yet or try if he tear down no type of way in a real life or know him in a real life. Anybody will come around J Progress in a real life, Aunty Donna, can tell you the only thing what J Progress do to people and motivate them, encourage them and elevate them. Why you think me always respect your Aunty Donna? Because of what me see. Me not blind. Remember, if you did watch all of my content, them Aunty Donna, you would have known say me have about 7 or 8 content over TikTok will go viral. Where you see what happened to you now with World Dog, where you explain the same thing about World Dog. Probably some of them dating back all 1 year now, Aunty Donna. So if you did watch J Progress, you would have known say that is a road, that a boy and boy where your name to put on your platform and boy you promote. Aunty Donna, I am the social media analyst. And I analyze the whole of them. So Aunty Donna, if you hear J Progress come and say somebody bad mind, Aunty Donna, me don't know them from Adams. So I analyze them, Aunty Donna, and know so you see you, bad mind and name you down like a cancer. So Aunty Donna, please don't be surprised when you see World Dog get corrupt now. And Aunty Donna, me all left this for the live. But let me explain something to you, Aunty Donna. You never notice, Aunty Donna, say when you're there in Jamaica, a foreign your bad mind come from. All of the people them who did go against you, 3/4 of the people them Aunty Donna, and I do video with them there, foreign. Why them never did want to reach America, Aunty Donna? Aunty Donna, why you think them never did want you reach America? Me I go save it for the live. Me tell you, say I touch the iceberg. Aunty Donna, turn on your notification. You don't want to miss that live where J Progress are going to come with. Believe when me tell you that. One J Progress entertainment, me people. Believe no man. You not fi ask nobody nothing, you know. And nobody not fi tell you nothing. I just one J Progress entertainment.